Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Portable Generators 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the world of portable generators, a must-have solution for reliable power anywhere, anytime. Whether you're camping, preparing for emergencies, or need backup electricity at home, a portable generator in
Top 1.
Westinghouse 13,500 peak watt tri-fuel home backup portable generator. Remote electric start, transfer switch ready, gas, propane, and natural gas powered. The Westinghouse 13,500 peak watt tri-fuel generator is a reliable solution for anyone seeking dependable backup power for home use. Designed for flexibility, this home backup portable generator operates on gas, propane, or natural gas, ensuring continuous energy supply even during unexpected outages. Its tri-fuel capability allows users to adapt to available fuel sources, providing peace of mind in emergencies or during outdoor projects. Equipped with a remote electric start, the generator ensures easy and convenient operation, allowing users to power essential appliances and devices without hassle. The portable generator design makes it simple to move and position where it is needed, offering convenience and efficiency for homes, cabins, or work sites. Its robust construction supports high-demand energy needs, ensuring reliable performance when it matters most.
Top 2.
The When Quiet 6,000 watt dual fuel inverter generator is an ideal solution for anyone needing reliable and portable power for electric vehicle backup, RV trips, or emergency use. Designed for versatility, this portable inverter generator operates on both gas and propane, allowing users to choose the most convenient fuel source while ensuring uninterrupted electricity in any situation. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for residential areas, campgrounds, or any location where noise reduction is important. With electric start capability, the generator offers easy and hassle-free operation, giving users instant power with minimal effort. The dual-fuel generator design provides flexibility, making it a practical choice for a variety of power needs. It is RV-ready, making it suitable for outdoor adventures, travel, and off-grid excursions, supporting devices and appliances with stable and consistent energy.
Top 3.
Honda 66424 EU2200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator with co-minder. The Honda EU2200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator provides a reliable and efficient solution for backup power, outdoor adventures, and recreational activities. Designed for convenience and durability, this portable inverter generator delivers consistent electricity for sensitive electronics, ensuring safe and stable performance during use. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to transport, store, and use in various settings, from camping trips to emergency situations. Equipped with Honda's co-minder system, The generator enhances safety by monitoring carbon monoxide levels and alerting users to potential hazards. This feature makes the EU2200i portable generator a dependable choice for homes, RVs, and outdoor spaces where safety is a priority. Its inverter technology ensures clean and smooth power output, protecting laptops, smartphones, and other sensitive devices while maintaining reliable energy supply.
Top 4.
Westinghouse 11,000 peak watt tri-fuel portable inverter generator, remote start, transfer switch ready. The Westinghouse 11,000 peak watt tri-fuel portable inverter generator offers a reliable solution for anyone seeking dependable power in homes, outdoor events, or emergency situations. This tri-fuel portable generator provides flexibility by running on gas, propane, or natural gas, allowing users to adapt to available fuel sources and maintain continuous energy supply. Its versatility ensures that essential appliances, tools, and electronics stay powered when it matters most. With a remote start feature, the portable inverter generator makes operation effortless and convenient. Users can activate the generator without leaving their home or workspace, providing quick access to power during outages or outdoor activities. Its design supports efficiency and ease of use, making it suitable for a variety of scenarios, from home backup to camping trips and job sites.
Top 5.
DuroStar DuroStar 13,000 MX, 13,000 watt, 500 cc dual fuel portable generator, gas and propane, remote electric start, whole home power backup, transfer switch ready, RV and emergency ready. The DuroStar DuroStar 13,000 MX, 13,000 watt, dual fuel portable generator delivers powerful and reliable electricity for homes, RVs, and emergency situations. Designed for flexibility, this dual fuel portable generator operates on both gas and propane, allowing users to choose the most convenient fuel source while ensuring uninterrupted power. Its robust design makes it ideal for providing energy during outages, outdoor adventures, and off-grid activities. Equipped with a remote electric start, the portable generator offers easy and quick activation, allowing users to power essential appliances and devices without hassle. Its 13,000-watt output ensures enough electricity for multiple household systems, making it suitable for whole home backup. The generator's transfer switch-ready design allows seamless connection to home electrical systems, delivering safe and consistent energy to essential circuits during emergencies.
Out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.